Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best women's Chuck Taylor Converse high-top sneaker on the market. The Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star Lift Women's Lace-Up Canvas Sneaker. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and iconic sneaker that adds a little extra height and flair to your everyday look, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Right off the bat, the design stays true to the classic Chuck Taylor silhouette but with a modern twist. These sneakers feature a high-top canvas upper made from 100% cotton, giving them that breathable and durable feel that Converse is known for. The canvas material ensures these shoes remain lightweight while still offering solid support for your feet. One of the standout features is the platform sole, measuring approximately 1.25 inches or 30 millimeters. This platform adds just the right amount of lift to elevate your style and presence without compromising comfort or stability. Speaking of comfort, these shoes come equipped with a removable insole, allowing you to customize your cushioning or insert your own orthotics if needed. The sole itself is made from rubber, providing excellent traction and durability whether you're walking around the city or hitting casual outings with friends. The rounded toe design offers plenty of room for your toes, which is essential for all-day wear. The classic Converse signature logo patch is proudly displayed on the ankle, maintaining that timeless appeal and brand recognition. These sneakers are imported but crafted with the quality you expect from Converse, making them a reliable choice whether you're a longtime fan or trying Chuck Taylors for the first time. Sizing options are broad, so you can find your perfect fit, and they come in a clean white colorway that's incredibly versatile, perfect for pairing with anything from jeans to dresses. The high-top shaft height not only offers additional ankle support but also gives you that bold, trendy look that's been popular for decades. Since these sneakers are not discontinued, you can be sure they remain a staple in Converse's lineup and continue to be a favorite among women who want a combination of classic style and contemporary platform height. Released initially in early 2018, they've had time to prove themselves as a consistent choice in women's fashion sneakers. If you want a sneaker that balances fashion, comfort, and a little height boost, the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star Lift Women's Lace-Up Canvas sneaker is definitely worth considering. Whether you're dressing up for a casual day out or just want to add some edge to your everyday outfits, these sneakers fit right in. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.